Alrighty, y'all. So you see, we made this little weekend project with the new yeswelder TIG 205P Pro, which is pretty cool. I like that pulse welding. I gotta get used to it now, but I like it. But here's the cross. Y'all can see. Well, as you guys know, we recently got this yeswelder. It is a TIG 205P Pro. What I like about this thing, it's got HF TIG, pulse TIG, and all kinds of good stuff, and it is all digital. So we just got our argon tank. We're gonna be putting this bad boy together, getting it ready to weld, because we do have a little project we're about to do. And let's get it, baby. So I don't know if this here works, but it just makes me feel a lot more comfortable every time I put some of this on the threads. So like I said, I really don't know if it works or not, but I feel a little more comfortable. So that's why I put it on there. If it doesn't work and I'm just wasting my time, just let me know in the comments. So this is a brand new argon tank from Airgas, which it's been probably like 2 months since I don't TIG weld, but this thing is a little expensive, man. Almost 200 bucks for this little tank that lasts about 5 days. So then, you know, you do a little TIG welding job here and there and people don't want to pay, but look at welding machine, argon tank, the trip out there, the materials. You know, man, sometimes just don't complain. You want shit very cheap, you should probably try to do it yourself then. Man, this is a long ass hose. Anyway. So yeah, man, this is the crazy thing about all this stuff. But this is my hobby. So, you know, I don't do things I don't weld stuff for people or anything. I do little projects for myself and for the family. So if I do make something and somebody like really wants it, then I'll probably sell it to them. But I don't make things for sale. I make things for myself and to enjoy my time, to relax. That's why I do TIG welding. And then when I get to the point where TIG welding is getting on my nerves or things ain't coming out like I wanted to, then it's time for a break. But that's how it usually goes here. This is just a hobby of mine. Man, I got like 20 feet of hose. Alrighty. Alrighty, here it is, y'all. It's connected. Yeah, we got like 2,300 PSI. That should last us a while. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug this bad boy in. As y'all can see, it is a 210 and a 110 because it's got this adapter. If I could take it off. Sure. All right. Well, it's got this adapter which converts it to a 110. So that's why I like it, because here I really don't have 220, but I don't weld really thick stuff either. Like right now, the thickest we're welding here, because we're gonna do a cross, a horseshoe cross. That's as thick as I'm gonna weld, maybe 1/4 inch. But what I do, I grind it to an edge, or give it like a little, I don't know, 60-degree burr here, and then gives it a little bit more penetration, which this is just going to be a cross, so it doesn't really need structural welding or whatever, but that's all we're doing here. So this little bad boy here is perfect for that. But as you can see, I got other welders here. I got a TIG 200 AC/DC. That's what I do the aluminum stuff with. I got another Eastwood TIG 200 DC, which is the same as this one, but that one is not digital. This one, everything on the dash is digital. And I also have a prime weld MIG welder, which when I run out of argon, that's what I use. Alrighty, y'all. So let's get going with this. I'm gonna go ahead and set up so we can start doing this horseshoe cross, and then we get to use this little baby. I bought it a couple days ago. I've turned it on and off a couple times, played around with the controls, but I couldn't do anything without the argon. That's the only difference between TIG welding and MIG welding and arc welding. So, or stick welding if you want to call it. Those you could use without gas or gas, but TIG welding, you gotta have gas. So alrighty, y'all, let's set up and get this project on the way. Alrighty, so now we have them all cut up. If y'all can see, that's a regular horseshoe. Now this one is gonna be welded like this. So if y'all can see, it's gonna be almost the same horseshoe, but a little wider. And once that bad boy is welded in there, then we'll go on to the next step. But if you can see, we only did 6 of the horseshoes. We cut these little pieces off. Here is the other piece that goes to the horseshoe. So if you see, this one just came off of here, and this piece came off of here. Now I'm keeping them in the same spot so I know which one goes with which one, because the cuts are pretty much the same. But now the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them all up, get all this metal off of it, make them nice and shiny, and then we're gonna start welding. Alrighty, y'all. So you see, we made this little weekend project with the new yeswelder TIG 205P Pro, which is pretty cool. I like that pulse welding. I gotta get used to it now, but I like it. But here's the cross. Y'all can see it. Can y'all see this? Well, here it is anyway. Looking very nice. All horseshoe and horseshoe nails. So everything, that'll be a nice little farm piece for the wall or whatever. And I like it. I'm gonna try to clean it up real nice and put it up on the wall. So hey, I hope you guys like that video. Hit that subscribe, hit that share, and I did change the name to the channel. So now if you see this cross, that's gas. My daughter was making fun of me because I didn't know what that was, and then when they told me what it was, I thought it was pretty cool. You know, I'm old school, so you want to say something looks nice, you like, oh man, that's nice, or it's badass. Nah, that's gas. So that's how the channel got changed to the name, because they kept making fun of me, and then I was like, oh man, it actually sounds pretty cool. So now that's gas. Alrighty, y'all, have a blessed one. Peace.